Welcome back. Today, we'll continue our discussion on custom tariff rates by focusing on time of use rates. TOU rates can help you save money by adjusting your usage patterns. Let's get started. Time of use rates vary based on the time of day, day of the week, and season. This means electricity costs more during peak hours when demand is high and less during off-peak hours. ARCA 360 supports two main options: predefined TOU rates, creating new TOU rates. With predefined TOU rates, you can select from a list of existing tariffs provided by your utility. These rates are already set up and ready to use, making it easy to get started. If you prefer more control, you can create new TOU rates. This allows you to customize the rates according to your specific needs. You can define peak and off-peak hours, set different rates for different times, and adjust for seasonal changes. TOU rates can significantly impact your energy costs. By understanding and utilizing these rates, you can optimize your energy usage and reduce your bills. ARCA 360 makes it easy to choose or create the right TOU rate for you. In our next video, we'll show you how to select utility rates through Geneability. Thanks for watching.